what's up? I'm your Elise and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be reviewing this UNice, y'all, I've been saying it wrong. It's UNice HAIR. This is like my third wig from them, honestly. So if you've watched my videos before, you already know they include a wig cap, eyelashes, and a product card to tell you how to take care of your hair, as well as a little 10% off coupon code. So take advantage. In this video, I'll be reviewing the Water Wave headband wig, and so they included headbands as well. These headbands are so adorable. My favorite color is pink, and I love the color black, and I love polka dots, so they got it right. The hair came inside of this bag. It is 22 inches, right there, 22 on the bag, yep. And here it is outside of the bag. It was very cute from a first glance, okay. The texture was soft, even though it looks really dry. It looks really dry, but it wasn't dry. It was really soft, I promise y'all. I don't know why I look like that on camera. I ran my fingers through it, so as y'all can see, my fingers were going straight through. No tangles, but I was getting some shedding, okay? It wasn't anything drastic, just a few strands. So, like I mentioned, this is a headband wig. If you don't know what a headband wig is, or if you're new to this whole trend, headband wigs are so easy to use. They're so on the go, friendly, ready, beginner friendly wigs. Love them. They come with Velcro straps. So all you do is just pop this on your head and you're ready to go. That's it. This wig comes with 4 combs on the inside, and yeah, the cap was, the cap was a little small. And somebody asked in my previous video, do I always wear a bun with my wigs? And the answer is yes and no. So when I tell you guys if I think it's big head friendly, I'm always taking into account the wig on my head with a bun or with braids. I do know if I had my hair braided down, I would have a lot more room. So I'm always keeping that in the back of my mind. I'm not just saying, okay, it didn't fit with my bun, so it is not big head friendly. No. With that being said, this wig was a smaller cap for sure, but it was also manageable. So my Love Me hair was not manageable. I could not fit that wig cap at all. But with this one, even though I did have my bun on, it was a little tight, but I do know if my hair was braided down, it would give me more room to work with. And I also wore it for a day already, so I got a chance to feel it out and it was very comfortable. Did not have a problem with it, but the stretch is kind of limited. Excuse my edges, y'all. My gel started flaking up on me and it turned white, so I don't know what's going on right there, but we're not going to talk about that. We're just going to focus on the wig. Anywho, the wig was very nice once I put it on. The length was there, 22 inches, once again, 22 inches. And I really love the hair. When I ran my fingers through it, it just continued to grow and grow and grow. It did not have a smell. It is the water wave pattern, so water wave is usually a loose texture, which is what you see. Now I'm going to be showing you guys how I styled this headband wig, and I'm going to be spraying it with water as well. So I'm starting off with this pink headband because it doesn't match my outfit, so we're going to get her out the way. The pink one, like I said, was cute. It had some flamingo. No, I don't know what bird that is because it's gray, but it looks like a flamingo. Anyways, it's really cute. I thought it was adorable. Next up, we have this black polka dot headband. It was so cute, y'all. It was a little off black because my shirt was black and I don't think it matched my shirt, but still cute. Love it. Gonna be wearing it. Already wore it. Love it so much. Adorable. So you can obviously just style it just like this as it comes out the package and boom, you're done. You're ready to go. But I'm going to show you guys how this hair looks when you spray it with water. So now I'm just spraying my hair with my 360 sprayer. Y'all, I love the spray bottle so much. I'm gonna do a video on my Amazon favorites and it's gonna be in that video, so be on the lookout for that. But y'all, this spray bottle, amazing. The hair, also amazing when you spray it with water. It actually just basically keeps that same pattern that you already see. It just tightens up a little bit more. But there it is. There's the wet side compared to the dry side. Not too much of a difference to me, honestly. It just looks a lot more moisturized because it was looking dry, but it was still soft. and it was still not tangling. I didn't get too much shedding, so still pretty basic. And here it is, completely wet. So now that you've seen it with water and with the headbands, it's time to style it. So the first style is everybody's favorite style, half up, half down. You already know you gotta do your half up, half down style every time you have the opportunity to. It's just a classic. So of course with this hair, you could achieve it. That's what I love so much about headband wigs. They're so versatile. Is that the word? Yeah, I think so. You can just do so much with them, even though it's not technically, a lace closure or frontal. You can still style it. So you don't have to worry about just having to wear it down. You can do so much. The next style is just a simple flip to the side to create this side part style. It's not really a side part, it's just basically, more hair on one side. And look at this hair, it's just so beautiful. And if you put mousse in it, you can maintain this texture so you don't have to worry about it frizzing up. But yeah, this hair was very cute, very beach wave like. A loose curl for people who don't like too curly hair, and for people who want a little bit of wave, is that hair for you. So the next style is just your average typical ponytail. And lastly, we're just gonna roll up the ponytail to create the final look of a tiny little bun. So y'all, these are some quick, simple, cute styles that you can do. You don't have to, and you can definitely create more. But these are just to get you started. Overall, this hair was beautiful hair. I worn it, like I said, as soon as I finished this video, I wore it for the next day. I didn't have any problems with it. I probably would just suggest that you moisturize it a little bit more. Other than that, this hair did exactly what it was supposed to do. It's a headband wig and it served its purpose. The link is in my description. And I have like a couple more headband wigs coming out. I'm trying every texture, every pattern, so stay tuned. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.